Hello everyone, welcome to Hello Friends Chemistry channel. My name is Uma Shankar. In this particular video, we are going to discuss about the microstates. Okay friends, microstates is one of the important basic concept in coordination chemistry. Okay friends, now coming to the microstates concept, first of all, if you new this channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay friends, first of all, coming to the microstates. Okay friends, this is the very important basic concept in CSIR NET and GATE examination. Okay friends, so what is microstates? For example, friends, you have to consider a P2 configuration. This is the P2 is electronic configuration. The P is the orbitals is present in the, this P is 3 orbitals are present in there. So the electrons is filled in this pattern. Okay friends, so what is microstates? The microstates are degeneracy is nothing but the number of possible ways in electron associated. Okay friends, so now associated of electrons in number of possible ways, that is called as microstate. For example, this P2 is, this is the degenerate state. For example, this P2 is the electrons is filled in like that, in this manner, and for example, the two electrons are filled in like that. Okay friends, for example, this manner. Okay friends, like that, this manner. So these are the called as microstates. Is okay friends, in this type of manner, do you have to calculate the number of microstates? Formula is the microstates. Okay friends, number of microstates calculated of the general electronic configuration. The formula is n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. Okay friends, here n is equal to number of electrons filled in orbitals. Okay friends, number of electrons filled in the orbitals, it means how many electrons are filled in the orbital, that is called as n factorial. So r is the number of electrons are present in the given electronic configuration, number of electrons present in the given electronic configuration, this is called as the R. Okay friends, for example, in this P2, like that P2 is, for example, this is the where n is the number of electrons filled in the orbital. It means, for example, p orbitals is how many electrons are present in the p orbitals. So totally 3 orbitals are present in there. So how many electrons are filled in there? 6. So that is called as the n factorial. Okay friends, you have to memorize this point. P is nothing but the number of electrons are present in there. It means number of electrons are present in the orbitals. So P is the 3 orbitals are present in there. So how many electrons are filled? 6. For example, in s orbital is 2 electrons are filled in there. For d orbital is 10 and f orbital is 14. Okay friends, these are the number of electrons are filled in the orbitals, that is called as the SPDF. S orbital is 2, p orbital is 6 electrons, and d orbital is 10 and f orbital is 40. This is called as n. But R is given electronic configuration, number of electrons, that is called as R. So now have to calculate the P2, how many microstates are degenerate states. So n factorial. So n factorial is nothing but P. P is the how many electrons, how many orbitals are present in 3 orbitals. So each orbital is 2 electrons, so 6. So that is called as 6 factorial by r factorial. What is r factorial? Number of electrons are present in the P2 configuration is 2. So that is called as 2 factorial into 6 minus 2 factorial. That is called as 6 factorial by 2 factorial into 4 factorial. So 6 factorial like that, 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 by 2 factorial is 2 and 4 factorial is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, like that. These 2 are cancelled and 2 ones are 2 3s are 6. So 3 into 5 is 15. Okay friends, so in this P2 electronic configuration, 15 microstates are present in this P2 configuration. Okay friends, now we have to understand this important formula. That formula is n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. Here n is the number of electrons are present in the number of electrons for the orbitals. Okay friends, this is called as n factorial. But r is the number of electrons are given in the particular electronic configuration. So this is the one more important formula in microstates in general electronic configuration. For example, I am given these 6 example. First example is P1 D1 mixed electronic configuration. How to find out the microstates? Okay, friends, and after I will discuss about these 4 things. Okay, friends. First of all, mixed electronic configuration. How to calculate the microstates? First of all, this is clear, friends. This is arise. Okay, friends, coming to the P1 D1 configuration. Okay, friends, second example is P1 D1 configuration. In P1 D1 configuration, how to calculate the microstates? Okay, friends, generally P1 is the d orbital. If p orbital is like that, 3 p orbitals are given in there, and here these are the 5 p orbitals. So electrons are filled in like that. Okay, friends, so how to calculate the microstates of these type of questions? So now have to understand the formula, same formula, but multiply of that 2 microstates formula. For example, P1 is the how many d orbitals, how many p orbitals? 6. So 3 p orbitals. So each orbital 2 electrons. So the 6 factorial by, so the n factorial value is 6, n value is 6, so 6 factorial by r factorial. So how many electrons are present in the given electronic configuration, in particular P1? 1. So r factorial value is 1 factorial into 6 minus 1 factorial into, so here D1 configuration. D1 configuration, what is the n value? So n value means a number of orbitals into 2, that is called as r factorial, n factorial. So number of orbital in D orbitals is 5. So that is called as the value is 10 factorial. Okay, friends, 10 factorial by, here 1 electron is present in there, 1 factorial into 10 minus 1 factorial. Okay, friends, so we have to calculate these 2 terms. First of all, this is 6 factorial is 6 into 5 factorial by, this is the 1 factorial into 6 minus 5 is the 5 factorial into, this is the 10 factorial into 9 factorial. I am represented like that. Okay, friends, this is the 1 factorial into 10 minus 1 is 9 factorial. So 9 factorial cancel, 5 factorial cancel. So 6 into 10, finally the value is 16. Okay, friends, so how many microstates are present in these P1 D1 configuration? In these mixed configurations are given in there. Now how to calculate the microstate formula is like that. This pattern you have to calculate the microstate. So totally P1 D1 electronic configuration microstates is 16 microstates are present in this P1 D1 configuration. Okay, friends, this is the one type of calculation of the microstates, particular these mixed electronic configuration. Okay, friends, now coming to this term 3D term. Okay, friends, now this term, how to calculate the microstates? The general formula is given in there. First formula is, friends, n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. This is the general electronic configuration. For example, mixed electronic configuration is, the formula is n factorial into r factorial into n minus r factorial and multiply to the same manner, n factorial into r factorial by n minus r factorial. Okay, friends, this is the first and second I will discuss in these 2 things before later. Okay, friends, so coming to this 3D term. Okay, friends, first of all, this is clear, friends, this is arise. So next example is 3D. Okay, friends, what is 3D? 3D term nothing but this is the one of the important basic concept in CSI NET and GATE examination point of view. That concept is term symbol. You have to memorize this formula. That formula is 2s plus 1 into Lj. Okay, friends, this is called as term symbol. Okay, friends, this is called as term symbol, and 2s plus 1 into L, this is called as term. Okay, friends, for example, in so many competitive exams, so exams like CSI, NET and GATE, what happened there, friends? Here, this is the 3D. 3D means this is called as term. Term is given in there. Now, how to calculate the number of microstates? Okay, friends, so now how to calculate the number of microstates? That for one more important formula is given in there. The formula is microstates microstates is equal to the 2s plus 1 into 2l plus 1. This is called as the calculation of the microstates in given in the term. Okay friends, for example, in term is given in there. Now I have to calculate the microstates. Formula is 2s plus 1 into 2l plus 1. Here this 2s plus 1 is called as spin multiplicity. Okay friends, this is called as spin multiplicity. Here this L is nothing but orbital spin orbital quantum number. So this L values is like that. L is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the representation of the 0? 0 is represented to the S, and P is 1 is P, and 2 is D, and 3 is F, and G is 4 is G. Okay friends, here L value is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it is represented to the S, P, D, F, G. Okay friends, this is the basic concept in term symbol or term. Okay friends, here this is also called as the, this is a term is not also called as the spectroscopic term. Okay friends, this is also called as the spectroscopic term. Okay friends, here in this term is the 3D. Okay friends, here 3 is nothing but this is like that, this is represented to the 2s plus 1 into L. Here this 2s plus 1 is called as spin multiplicity, that is 3. Okay friends, spin multiplicity value is 3. And what about the L? L is the D. D is, for example, here this is the D. D term is, D is represented to the 2. L value is 2, and that is represented to the D. So here D is the, L value is 2. Okay friends, L value is 2 and spin multiplicity value is 3. So now we have to calculate the number of microstates. Microstates is equal to the 2s plus 1 into 2l plus 1. So 2s plus 1 is the 3 and L value is 2. So 2 into 2 plus 1. So 3 into 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So finally 3 into 5 is 15. Okay friends, here in this term, 3D term, number of microstates is 15 microstates is present in there. This is the one more important formula. Okay friends, in generally in competitive exams, term is given in there. The general formula calculation of the microstates is 2s plus 1 into 2l plus 1. Okay friends, this is the one more important formula in calculation of microstates. Okay friends, this is clear friends, this is arise. Okay friends, now coming to the 1G term, so same manner. Okay friends, coming to the 1G term, calculation of microstates calculation of 1G term, this is the like that 2s plus 1 into L. This 2s plus 1 is spin multiplicity of this term is 1. Okay friends, what about the L? L value is G. It means L is equal to 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The symbols, this L is represented to the S and 1 is corresponded to P, 2 is the D and 3 is G, 3 is F and 4 is G. Okay friends, these are the corresponding to the, this L values is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Corresponding to the terms is S, P, D, F, G. So here 4, G is the 4. Okay friends, G value is 4. So how to calculate the number of microstates? The formula is 2s plus 1 into 2s plus 1 into 2l plus 1. Here 2s plus 1 is 1 and 2 into L value is 4. L value is 4 plus 1. So 1 into 2, 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So finally the number of microstates is 9. Okay friends, in this 1G term, how many microstates friends? 9 microstates are present. Okay friends, now another one more example. That example is 3FG. Okay friends, 3F4. This is also called as term symbol. Okay friends, this is also called as term symbol. Okay friends, in generally competitive exams, term symbol is given in there. How to calculate the number of microstates? The formula is 2j plus 1. So this is the one more important formula. Okay friends, the formula is 2j plus 1. Okay friends, now competitive exams given in the term symbol. Now we have to calculate the number of microstates. That formula is 2j plus 1. Here j is nothing but orbital spin multiplicity, that is called as j. Okay, j is nothing but orbital spin multiplicity. Here this term is like that, 2s plus 1 into L into j. This is also called as term symbol. Here this j is called as spin orbit coupling. Okay friends, this is j is called as spin orbit coupling. So here the j value is 4. So now we have to calculate the number of microstates. So microstates is 2 into j value is 4 plus 1, say 2 4 is 8 plus 1 9. So in this particular term, the 9 microstates are present in there. In this particular example 3f4 term symbol, how many microstates? 9 microstates is present. The formula is 2j plus 1. Okay friends, this is the one more important formula. Okay friends, first of all, this is clear friends. This is arise. Okay friends, coming to the 4T1G. What is 4T1G and A2G? Okay friends, you have to memorize these two things. The thing is, these two are the Mulliken symbols. These two are the Mulliken symbols. Okay friends, these two are the Mulliken symbols, like that. This A and E and T. Okay friends, these are the Mulliken symbols. For example, in competitive exams, Mulliken symbol is given in there. Okay friends, Mulliken symbol is given in there. Now we have to calculate the number of microstates. Okay friends, one more important formula. For example, this is AE2. A is represented to the degenerative, or A is represented to the singlet, that is called as the value is 1. It means the degenerative state. Okay friends, degenerative states is 1. For example, E is represented to the 2. It means this is called as doubly degenerate, and T is the triply degenerate, that is called as 3. Okay friends, this A, E, T are also called as Mulliken symbols is given in there. So that the value is represented to the A is singlet, that is 1, and E is represented to the 2. It means this is the doubly degenerate and T is the triply degenerate. Okay friends, so in this type of questions is given in the examination point of view, how to calculate the microstates. So here this is the 4T1G. Okay friends, 4T1G. Here this 4 is nothing but spin multiplicity. This 4 is nothing but spin multiplicity. Spin multiplicity, that is also called as 2s plus 1. That is called as 2s plus 1. So here this term is given in there. This Mulliken symbol is given in there. So the calculation of the number of microstates formula is, so microstates is equal to the 2s plus 1 into degeneracy. 2s plus 1 into degeneracy. This degeneracy is nothing but Mulliken symbols is given in the degeneracy is nothing but here this is called as, for example here 4T1G. So this T is called as degenerative states. So this is the called as the triply degenerate. So this value is corresponding to the 3. So 2s plus 1 is spin multiplicity value is 4, and degenerative state, that is called as the degenerative. Here T is the triply degenerative. So here this is 3. What about the G? The G is nothing but Garrod or ungarrod. Okay friends, this is the center of inversion is present in there, that is called as Garrod, and center of inversion is not present, that is called as ungarrod. Okay friends, Garrod is represented to the G and ungarrod is represented to the U. So the possible number of microstates of this 4T1G term is 4 into 3 is 12. Okay friends, 12 microstates are present in this 4T1G term. Okay friends, next one more thing, that one more example, that example is 3A2G. 3A2G, the formula is 2s plus 1. Here this 3 is the spin multiplicity 3, and here this A is the singlet. So I am represented to the singlet A. So this singlet is corresponding value is 1. So this is 1. So finally 3 1 is 3. So the number of microstates are present in this A2G term is 3. Okay friends, so the formula is like that. This is the formula. Okay friends, now we have to calculate the these type of questions, now we have to use the formulas is like that. This is first one, and second formula, for example, general electronic configuration is given in the calculate the microstate formula is like that. For example, mixed electronic configurations is given in there like that. These P1 and D1 terms, these type of questions is given in there. You have to use it the formulas like that. For example, term. Okay, friends, the term is given in the exam. Now we have to calculate the microstates formula is 2s plus 1 into 2l plus 1. Here L is nothing but orbital quantum number value. So here term symbol is given in there. Okay, friends, term symbol is given in there. Now we have to calculate the microstates formula 2j plus 1. This j is called as spin orbit coupling. Okay, friends, so now in case Mulliken symbol is given in there, 4T1G, these type of questions is given in there. Now we have to use the formula is 2s plus 1 spin multiplicity into degeneracy. Okay, friends, these are the important formulas are given in this number of microstates or degeneracy. Okay, friends, this is the very important concept and basic concept of the coordination chemistry and these exams like CSIR NET and GATE examination. Okay, friends, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.